Welcome to the Drop Shop Garage. Today, guys, is a super special day. I'm going to show you guys the original Batman car from the original movies. I'm at a real special car show today where they have all of these movie cars. So I'm sure you guys know this is the Knight Rider from the Knight Rider movie. If you guys remember Magnum PI, the Magnum PI Ferrari, 1985 Ferrari 308 from Magnum PI. From Counting Cars, one of his super cool little, I don't even know what this thing is, guys. A 1961 Ford Econoline from Count's Customs. Oh, excuse me. Checks this thing out, guys. From the Ridgemont High movie, Fast Times at Ridgemont High. I can tell you what this is. This is a Chevrolet Camaro Z28 with T-tops. It's a 1979. I would love to have one of these. So this one is from the Fast Times at Ridgemont High. Guys, you're not even gonna believe this one. The General Lee. The Dukes of Hazzard General Lee. And then the icing on the cake, guys, 1977 Pontiac Trans Am from Smokey and the Bandit. '77 Pontiac Trans Am from the Smokey and the Bandit movie. Guys, please like and subscribe, and I will catch you guys on the next one. I'm glad you guys didn't miss this video. Have a great day, guys. Please like and subscribe.